Raquel Uribe with Realty One, and today I'm here with my preferred lender, John Morgan with EPiQ Lending. John, can you tell us a little bit about how the VA loan works?
It's very simple. The VA loans are for those who qualify, obviously, and those who have a certificate of eligibility based on their service, active duty, several algorithms, but the best case is to reach out to me or VA and get that certificate or find out what it takes to get it. But one of the main myths is that you can only use your VA once. But not only can you use it more than once, sometimes you can use it simultaneously and have multiple VA loans. But there's some math that goes along with that, and obviously it's staying within the guidelines and limits and stuff, but it's entirely possible. So it's the best product out there. There's so many features to it that so many people don't know or utilize between lenders, realtors, and clients. So I would say if you have it, use it for sure.
Well, that's great. John, what about if they're a little short on funds?
Short on funds, great news is the VA loan is 100% loan to value, so that means no down payment. And in a lot of cases in this market, many other markets, seller concessions are available, and that's a negotiation. So you can get seller concessions to pay for closing costs. And a lot of times a VA borrower could come into a purchase with not much out of pocket at all.
Oh, great. Can they use that for debt if they have a little bit?
Absolutely. This is something that a lot of people don't utilize or don't know, but it should be used every chance you get. If you're getting seller's concessions, we want to make sure to use it all. So
right.
In this VA loan, if the borrower is buying a $500,000 home, the seller can contribute up to 2% towards the borrower's debt. So if we need to get them qualified and we have to pay off a car, we can pay off that car and get them qualified with the seller concessions. No other loan will allow that.
Oh, wow. So we can pay, so the veteran can pay with the seller concessions money to pay down their car loan and closing costs?
Yeah.
What a deal.
It's exciting, A lot of people will say that you can get a max of 4% towards closing costs from a seller on a VA loan. Well, that's also a myth. It's very gray in the guideline, and it's up to the underwriter at the end of the day, and the actual wording in it is whatever is not deemed excessive. So when you talk about 4%, 2% can go towards the personal debt, we talked about that, and 2% can go towards a permanent buy down. So that's it. So that adds up to 4%, so everybody stops there. But there's additional closing costs, there's temporary buy downs that are being done right now. So in some cases you can get qualified for a concession of up to 7 or 8% depending on the home and the market you're in.
That's great information. So what are you waiting for? Raquel Uribe, Realty One, serving the Phoenix metro area.
John Morgan, EPiQ Lending, serving several states including the state of Arizona. And even if I'm not serving a state, still reach out to me and I can help guide you through it.
Our information is right below.